Love you like a brother, treat you like a friend, respect you like a lover. Oh, 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 oh.
Could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta
If you
sweat
be
that.
the cash, I'll be the rubber band, you be the match.
What's up, guys? It's a Sunday, so happy Sunday to you. Hope you guys are doing well. So I'm just getting ready, just doing finishing my makeup. I am gonna head out. Well, today's one of my friends' birthday. By the way, it's September. It's like so many people like birthdays are in this month that I know. But anyways, it's my friend's birthday today, and we're all meeting at Janga's today to celebrate his birthday. Like makeup, y'all. By the way, I didn't like my lashes. I need to add more to it, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. The only thing left for me to do right now is just do my brows and lip gloss, and that's it. I'm wearing a cute little dress, but we're just gonna head out just for a short while and just have some fun. Yeah, tomorrow's Monday, another work week is happening. But yeah, I'm just gonna quickly get ready. I'm on time for the first time ever. Well, it's 5 o'clock now and I want to leave out in the next 30 minutes. So I need to wash my hands, put on my clothes, and then, I need to fix my brows. So I'm gonna fix my brows. Yeah, let me just fix my brows and get ready, and then when I'm done, I'll show you guys the fit that I'm working with. Very a simple dress. It's not like a dressy type of event, really. Well, I think there's something keeping, and I'm sure people are going to be dressy. So that's why I decided to just do my makeup and just wear it. Just like a little dress. I need to shave my brows. Oh, wow. Just how she. Right, so we are ready to head out to our friend's birthday hangout. Let's get into this fit. I've had this dress for so many years. This dress is from Shein. I've had it for many years, y'all, and I've probably only worn it twice. This is probably the second time. Don't quote me on that, but it's either this is the second time I'm wearing it or the third time I'm wearing it. Okay. But cute. And my sandals. I don't wear shoes in my house, so yeah, y'all know already. And this bag from Miss Anne Klein. Cute. I don't even know if Anne Klein is a male or female, to be honest. It sounds like a female name, but who knows? You never know, right? Yeah, and the earrings from Shein. I totally know. I bought these earrings in, I think it's a local store. I don't know if it's Brick Brand or somewhere else, but I definitely need to go back to Brick Brand. And yeah, I think this is Brick Brand. This earring, love it. And bag, and then we're gonna wear gold slippers. Yeah. So guys, I got a new perfume. Hold on, I think I got a text. Yeah. 1 second. So I got a new perfume, and it's from Zara. Hold on, the fan is on. So got a new perfume from Zara. Super excited, y'all. It smells so good. It's the Immortal Vanilla Bloom. Here's the box. I did a unboxing. Follow me on TikTok. I may insert the TikTok video here, but I would love for you guys to go over TikTok, follow me, go on Instagram, follow me as well on Instagram. Guys, this smells so good. And here is the bottle. Love it. Cute. I don't know if you guys can see it. And the box. Guys, I love it so much. It smells so good. And what I paired it with is I have this Bath and Body. It's a fresh vanilla blossom. So I'm pairing this and the cedar because they're both vanilla. So why not? They're both vanilla, and I am a vanilla girl. I am a vanilla girl all day, every day. So you put on some of this first. Woo! Spray my back. Then I'm gonna put some of this to spray all over. Oh, it smells really good, guys. Oh my god. My back. Let's get my back. I don't think I need any more. It's so strong, but it smells good. It is. Oh, this is vanilla. I love it so much. What's up, guys? What's going on? It's a Tuesday, so happy Tuesday. We have a dentist appointment today. Just one errand we have to do today. I wanted to, we're continuing the vlog. The last time I went out Sunday, so we're just continuing the vlog, and I want to show you guys a quick fit. So yeah, I'm going to get an x-ray at a dental place, and then on Thursday I have my 1 month update. So this is basically like a 1 month update braces vlog too. I think when I go in on Thursday I should be changing the color, or yeah, let's see. I should be tightening as well. I may also do extractions. Hopefully no extractions right now. But I've never done an extraction before, and I know an extraction is needed because I have overcrowding in my mouth, and right now my mouth has been shifting. My mouth feels weird. My vampire teeth that I have up here, double row they call them, it is pushing down already, and it's just like a month. So I need to make space for these two vampire teeth to come down. So we're gonna get our x-ray today, and that's just it. Then come home and do some more work, and that's it for the day. I want to show you guys a quick fit. I may get some food. I am actually hungry, but I don't know. After the appointment then we figure it out. Well, let's get into the fits. Yeah, so we're just wearing this regular white top and the jeans pants and the bag. I don't even know if you guys can see me, but I'm gonna head out right now because it's going on to 1:30 in the afternoon. It's going on to 1:30 in the afternoon. I just really want to get out of here, so let's go, guys. I'm back in my house. Change of plans. My car isn't starting. This happened like 2 days ago, where my car wasn't the battery. Something's wrong with the battery, and I got it charged by a neighbor. No, there's no one here. I don't see anybody's car in the complex, so I have nobody to ask to give me a jump start. So I'm just here. I really needed to get the x-ray started out today, so tomorrow, Wednesday, I did not have to go on the road. But I called a friend, but they're heading to Papi, so that's not gonna work. So we're probably just gonna scrap the whole dental thing for today, and we're gonna try again tomorrow. And I just need to start up my car and get a new battery. So I'm just gonna remove out my clothes, and you guys are gonna see me the same goddamn clothes Wednesday, more than likely. Right now I'm sweating, I'm hot. Just turn on the air. I am super pissed because I just like to get things started. If I set out a plan to do whatever, it's supposed to be sorted out, but I guess I'm just not supposed to go on the road right now. I'm just gonna go back to work and do my thing. What did I eat this morning? I had 2 boiled eggs and an apple only, with tea, of course. I had some green tea. So I am starving. If I was going on the road, I would have gotten some. Well, that was a plan, to figure out if I'm gonna get some to eat or come back and cook. Last night, I think yesterday, I went to the supermarket. I did not figure that. I've been to the supermarket so much time. I go to the supermarket at least once per week, y'all. Literally, because I'm trying to eat more ground provisions, less rice, all of that jazz. So I tend to go to the supermarket on a weekly basis. I am actually starving right now, so I'm just gonna make some oatmeal with some Cheerios, and I'm gonna put on some green banana and sweet potatoes. I'm gonna have this for dinner. I seasoned some fish last night, some kingfish last night, so I'm gonna put that in the oven, in the air fryer, and that will be my dinner for today and tomorrow. I bought some brown rice when I went to the supermarket yesterday too. So I had that yesterday. So yesterday I cooked brown rice and I cooked broccoli, ketchup, and cauliflower as veg. So I still have little rice left, but I'm still gonna cook the banana because I don't want it to start getting ripe. So I'm gonna put these on. Well, I'm gonna make my oatmeal first, put these on, and then yeah. But like I said, we're still working too, so I need to, figure out my time and watch my hours that I'm doing. Watch my time, I should say. Let's make my oatmeal right now because need to make my oatmeal. By the way, I'm still super annoyed that I can't start out what I need to start out. Like, I'm gonna have to go on the road. So I have this oatmeal. By the way, did I show you that? Like, you know what? Let me show you guys how my pantry that I've been organizing looks. So this is currently the pantry. So this is what I had bought. Oh, I got help in setting it up. Thank God. It's looking a little dark, but yeah, there's no lighting. I'm gonna put a light, probably a motion sensor or remote lighting here. So this cannot hold all my food still. I still have more food here. I need to buy some containers to pour my oil and flour and all of that. So I'm going to be purchasing container for those. But yeah, this is still a storage. My water is here. So yeah, the pantry needs a lot of work. I have so many stuff to buy, but we'll get that eventually. Yeah, so I'm just gonna make my oatmeal and then I'll catch you guys at another time tomorrow. By the way, anytime I'm having oatmeal or cereal, I like it warm. So I'm gonna have this in the microwave. I think I use a lot of oatmeal. Oats. There's a lot of oats. I need to put some more water in this. And I normally just use, let me show you guys what I use. So for sweetening, I'm using vanilla lasco. Not too much. And then the Cheerios, that I'm gonna putting the Cheerios up after it comes out of the microwave, of course. So I'm just gonna put this in the microwave to let it heat. See, I have a lot of oatmeal. I need to add some more water in this. A lot of oats. Guys, so it is the next day. It is Wednesday. So yesterday I attempted to go to the dentist. That ain't work out, so we're heading out again. I got a jump start this morning actually from a neighbor, and I don't know if I told you guys this yesterday, but I do have another battery at my mom's house, so I'm gonna test that. But if that battery that I have at my mom's house is even problem, the girl is gonna have to buy a battery. Anyways, I'm not sure if you guys big up my candle company. We're coming with bigger and better things next year with a bigger container, a more aesthetic container. Okay. So next thing, we changed the fit. I mean, there's a clothes that I wore. Yes, I put on yesterday for like 2 minutes, but knowing me, I'm gonna change. I'm gonna feel a bit comfortable. I don't need to be in that shirt anymore. So this is the fit. We're working back with our Steve Madam bag, and we're gonna head out to the dentist. Tomorrow is the orthodontist consultation, so I should be. My mirror is super dirty. I should be doing some tightening and all of that. So my first 1 month braces update. Am I excited? No. Because it's gonna get tightened, and right now my mouth has been shifting like crazy. But anyways, I'm ready to go. Alright guys, I am here at the dental place to get my x-rays, so let's head on inside. And then after that I'm gonna get a patty because I only had breakfast and it's 2:36. Yeah, that's norm. But I had a good breakfast. No, I only had eggs and apples for breakfast and tea, of course. I always have my green tea every morning. Yeah. What's up guys? So this is a Friday. Yeah, and we are dressed. I'm actually going to pickleball. I've never been. I heard it's a knockoff for tennis. So yeah, going to pickleball just in this cute tight set and sneakers, of course. And I'm actually gonna head out because I'm doing a pickup and then I'm have to head to pickleball. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. I'll see you guys once I'm there. Alright guys, so I'm here at pickleball. I'm gonna head inside right now. So let's see what pickleball is all about. Let's go.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about.
Hey y'all. So pickleball was fun last night. I know after, by the way, it started to rain, so we had like 15 minutes left of our hour, but the rain started to fall, so you know, we didn't get to finish, but it was such a fun game and I have to do it again. If you guys are in Kingston, in Jamaica, you're coming to Kingston, like pickleball is definitely a vibe. It's definitely a group activity too, or even a couple. You and your partner can just come and just play, do a fun activity, something different than the norm. But anyways, I am here at the cemetery. I just brought my father here. He wanted to come and look for his dad. So yeah, we're just here and it's raining, so definitely like a sad moment right now, but yeah, I'm here. Later, yeah, I'll speak to you guys later, but I just wanted to come and update you guys about last night and we will catch on later. Hey guys, so we are heading out. It's still a Saturday night and it's Saturday, well, it's actually Sunday morning at 1 a.m. in the morning. So we have been having rains like for the longest, and tonight, Saturday, this is what, September 26th? Yeah, it has been raining like crazy, like raining cats and dogs. Like even events was cancelled and all of that, but we're heading to the club. And you know, when you're in a club, like you can still go because it's an inside club. So we decided to head out tonight. We had wanted to go somewhere earlier, but then again, told y'all the rain. But yeah, let's get into this fit. The girl is skinny, okay? But I decided to just put on the Shein dress, Shein shoes, and jewelry. Oh, shoot, I need to put on my jewelry and bag. But yeah, just wanted to quickly come on and just tell you guys, hey, and this is actually the end of the vlog. I guess when I reach at Ribby's, I'll just show you guys a little bit, but this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this crazy vlog, quick vlog, but it was fun, and I'll see you guys in another video. If you have watched the video all the way to the end, just drop any emoji, you know what, because it's been raining and I'm actually heading out right now. Drop a rainfall, a watermark, rainfall in the comments if you have watched this video so far. Also, like the video before you come off. While you're watching this, just click like, a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't. And I think I don't even say that much, but I think I need to say, because you know, we need to get our subscribers a little bit up if you guys enjoy the content. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.
No cap.
Yeah.
I took the top off. I'm dripping like hot sauce. I got drink in this clean raw. Baby, give me that mean mouth. Hit that pussy like golf ball. I can do this without y'all. I don't look like a loco. I go back to the trap house. Spread that bitch in the belt down. Cash it in and I cash out. Turn that shit to a stash house. I ain't taking no handouts. When they callin', I'm in route. For them niggas, they been down. Blow it back when I'm in town.
Yeah.
Is it gonna you the best? I done went and got